KCTV, lawan Rashapi daka Frank Yamaha, the Maxi Sports Scooter Aerox 155.
Congress commitment to Meghalaya, an unemployment-free Meghalaya. Congress is committed towards providing a job to every household in Meghalaya.
5 commitments na kasing Congress na kabinta ka 5-star Meghalaya.
Uba John Frankie Rambai ulah kena baka high level kedeketanat mining and geology kababat hi dong menteri rang bak kejala ukonrat ki sangma ketenat transport balabat do bak da sakiat lamare bat ketenat kampo yeng balabat do bak la kemen rembui ha kejing ekran bekila patai kubor ha ka arpoi tering uba John Frankie Rambai ulah ong bakum unong song snong uba ngaukia unya kunbet daw kulam barok san snem ladawan kenu ke sarkar. Syu ulo ang banyak ke sarkar ke balik bian kan jin dalabha ya ke sarkar bakan wanra no ya ke mining policy ke ban pensup ya kiduk kisung hendrai lem kumta unya kun na shabar hapok ke ying bishar persya ya kini kirukam trekam jong ke sarkar.
Nalale ika RTI inquiry ha ka arpu tundai tarik September ajar arpu ar. Ka RTI jonga ka di Department Mining and Geology Government of Meghalaya ha ka biya day auction coal balale ka coal India lang baka DMR. Di yakani ke department haka RTI ngalap baka portfolio babat yakani ke department it is in the hand of kadika Cipek jung chief minister jungi Sri Konrad Sangma u chairman di Pak Jigur Merthong bat ki officer ki bangin non kam than ban shor kerteng di haka RTI ka bangalap manga kani ka page ka baki respond yana kala along lupa violate of the norm ba ichisa ka RTI habang apan ha art kontra tarik September lade ban reply yang within given time kata ka desi benai henry ki delay hadu kendai ko sngi kidang ai ka RTI yang ki sen yang ha ka arpu sau tarik December tik sawan syuti Christmas New Year ngandang i receive haka ya ka copy na po department hadu January sau tarik balik gile kamta namar ba nganam yo tan ban interfere ya kam ba bagi penyat yo doyong kelas damar penyat ka ar penyo tarik December da ka salan jong ready sutengah dengan ong ipi menta ba ka ega point ka bangalap mga as per information RTI Act 2005 applied by me on 29 September from Mining and Geology Department which is under the portfolio in charge by our Chief Minister Sri Konrad Sangma the successful bidder of the auction of coal India Limited ki successful bidder ki mut ki ba bidding ki ba job ka bidding ki try salan ki bangi ong all over Meghalaya ndai tang na clearyat na was parok ko ka Meghalaya they are equally accountable nexus with the government to manipulate the system to be corrupted with the blessing of the government political vendetta political thief ka question jonga sa ka DMR kadon hadu ar punyo tali ngan su ai piki point Kiblalong violet pelan. Question number 13 ngakali ki. Please provide the information whether any weighman slip has been enclosed along with the transit pass. Give in detail the weighman slip issued to each truck along with the truck number. And completely violated. Point 13. As per the information asked by me in standard operation procedure, which is with you, no weighman slip has been supplied to me by the department. By not supplying and enclose the weighman slip of each truck enclosed in the transport permit to designated depot. So point 13 has been completely violated against the Supreme Court order SOP. Kalong bakim la ban ayang aki slip jong ki weighman slip kita kisalan ki eki barok namar bakadon ke illegal. So question number 4 kala kali ki please supply the CCTV camera video footage to all the concerned weight bridge for the entire designated depot where the coal is either brought in and also when the coal is lifted or evacuated for transportation. Give in detail. Kani kalong bakat kum ke SOP katuka kateki commission whatsoever kalau ong badi mendon ki CCTV kamera habaki tap yo doyong habaki yai kini kimdon ka ega bangi inspect manga hantai hapo umling hapo lata syara kiwi ki kata kilong kidon ki CCTV kamera kita ki server ki ega ibro kamtan hapo DMR pindalet ben check ki kim function kasulong ke public waste of money kasulong waste capital kim function kita kim penrekam kim sejenjari lah dia to question number 14 kata aspan CCTV camera it is completely violated by the concerned department mining and geology along with the transport department Minister in charge of mining and geology is our Chief Minister, Chairman Jigur Martham, Transport Department Sri Dasakyat Lamare. Point number 17. Whether the mineral transport challan has been countersigned by the official of Coal India Limited post at the wet bridge of the designated depot, give in detail of each countersigned mineral transport challan. Point 17 also is violated. I have been asking information from the concerned department about countersign of the mineral transport challan. Kanira kilong violated. The simple mansung EP ba, it is clearly shown that whatever illegal transportation is carried out is with full knowledge of Chief Minister and Minister in charge of Mining and Geology, Conrad Sangma. Along with his advisor, ex-transport minister ru hakapor jong ilu kadawyong kalayak illegal, that is nyaw bhalang dar, menta udah sakiat, to dam government syuru. Last but not the least, the groundwork for the illegal transportation, this is very important. If the government is complete the paperwork, what about the groundwork? Who collect the money from the traders? What we find, according to evidence, when we arrest truck along with Hito, so many times, we found that the amount of collection of money that is amounting 1 lakh rupees for 14 and 16 tire, 60 ton is 1 lakh rupees. What they have to whom they are paying this money? They are paying at Kliriat to MLA people, his close aide. Who is the MLA in Kliriat? We find out his close aides are collecting the entry amount. And from West Khasi Hill, we find that Dominic Martham. Who is Dominic Martham? Dominic Martham is related to Jigur Martham. When we arrest truck, when we detain them, when we question the driver, challan is the name of Dominic Martham. So I will tell here clearly that the violation of the SOP and the scam in Meghalaya is equally accountable by the bidder, successful bidder of the challan all over Meghalaya. Point number 25 and 26 is very important to tell you. I have been asked that please provide information for each GPS device number and GPS SIM number installed and activated against each truck. Give in detail. Point 25 and 26 has not been supplied as per RTI filed by me. Application point 25 and 26 department could not supply information as by me. Balay kimla ban ay kan ke GPS kadaw kolong ba katrok kasulong by outlaw mdon GPS mdon challan. Now, ladangi ya keren menta. What about all over Meghalaya? According to the RTI, the scam under two departments, that is Mining and Geology and Transport Department, the scam is being done all over Meghalaya. Barak kuwi ke Meghalaya kile ek scam. Ti kumno ki yola konne ek scam namar ki paperwork la le department, and then ki try challan ki bayo ki yo blessing na ki political na kita ki minister ki bolong hakane ka department bakin yo ban peniat illegally. Dengan ong IP kajing dunong hangne kan de ka state ye ki small miner ngingin nem priang ya ta ka sispa hektar ngin saya kun ya kan ka illegal mining syapur ru ngim salia namar ba man kas ngi su IP ki perlak projor ki berit beria ki batrai kin kwa bakan dong ka mining ka basis pa persen bangan ong IP kan ka government MDA khamtam kini ki department transport mining and geology kinnem kwa implement ni ka mining policy balai namla implement no kinnem yo shu ban kamai illegal kumne how much the illegal ka balik not less than 1,000 crore ngan ang IP ka state ka shimram man kas nem nasno khat aspa crore khat saus pa crore khat san pa crore ka ba illegally la lep kamai lu pashi 1,000 crore they who collect the money in other part of Meghalaya ha ba kidon kini ki scam ban shim na ki trop ma IP baro hai ki mi khman be de ki prujung ki minister te hanne ka pau shai kedar ba ka department ba bat hidu chief minister kalong highly complicated corrupted manipulate nang ta pada ki don ru ki close aid ki jong ngalabat nang hadu baki advisor to chief minister ki de ba monitor napo ekakam then ka police department ngimla banlai ka safe passage hi yakini ki trop illegal la ai hi de ka police department that is very questionable ba baro ki district ki trop kiat sahu telada pikwa ban lap ka kata ka high level hi laju buri bha lada ngakran ka district ke jonga ka dei hari boy kumno ki buri igini ki high level trop jingsi sha ka trop habadon shalan ka dei ban yat kat kum ka ton ka balabu da ka ne ka SOP totip ma piki press ba hadu menta ar hajar ar paulai menta ka dei nem nadu bepas ke judgment 19 Julai jong ka Supreme Court 4 jusya bangkit dawyong palat ka khat arton henraya barok bakem ke hito bakem mangi ngimko ban haras ki troy dawyong ki try trop kam 4 judon kata khat arton barok bet ka dei ka rupotan lane lai pu sauton collection ka dei bai either 1 lakh lane 80,000 haegi collect ru ngan batai ka pisa lada la ayah ki buru minister kendai penriu hajar lane nyo penriu hajar ha clear riat ha west ka sihil ha weight bridge ru hap su pisa ar hajar tengka ha weight bridge wa jusung thu bakala bandon ki buru ka DMR lane ki buru jong ka transport department kin don bet ki buru minister hapo weight bridge ru kin le kumno kin check igi truck number taka pada ka duty jongki officer habang ay ngadon ke question ki officer nga check kali ki mo ki ongin le kumno ba jon ni hapslong tang nong pekai ki di nagaliang ki enforcement hapori bhairu kim tre kami ai hapo kata nagaliang ki inspector jong ka DMR ru kim tre kami ai hapo kata ki tre kam be de ki buru minister ban check ya ki number kali ka bamdon ka number kali kemun ka de ka basuan kham su pisa either na po East Jentia lanena West Jentia tengilap baik badon kiti baik ki buru minister bat bun sin kini ki salan kilong related baik bayo baik ki buru minister te kini ki salan hangne kila penyelam bak bakla bak postung syam bangiyak salan MP kat kum ka RTI hangne bat ngadon ye ka video footage ka bangala ban share ye pishibit kalong ba during model code of conduct today 21st mentang ngadang wana nongpo kitrok dang sahu kedang yat si totally ai bat menin met kumtaman gamit like house of totally during model code of conduct last week ngadang dek ban detain hapo kata hawit bridge ngadang don kajing ya kendang ya kita ki wan kita kitrok tiba claim shalan lada kali ki debe kitrok high level the high level is very questionable to tip wa manong ipim dan kam shi bon yatnu hapo social media high level hi ka de department mining and geology wala bat daw chief minister nang ta transport department labat daw sekian and home minister lane ka law department labat tiba la kemen rumbui ti ngin man kaman ya kran ye ta ki bru jungki ba punya apo madan namar de tangi leman ki de tangi close associate jungki te ka blame hi borok ngan blame chakane department ba kini ki political thief ki la pelong ya ka spa jong ka Meghalaya jong ka yo ka kot jong ka state pum ka kamai ka ji jungki da bi jok mele nakadaw na kum concern citizen ngashim ba nganya kun daw pulam borok san sinam ni khmat dawan kano government ru jaka ba pin ya bunkam ban ya le illegal ban ya kamai saka pla ka jongpi ya kun penban ba pin penyo klo ya ka mining policy ka berap ya untuk usuk nginda pendang sentiu lem kumta ngingem la ba syang pos sekretariat nama ngimla nginde ki MLA tingin ya kun ni pina sabar ba don bok bangi don ka RTI don bok bangi don PK media don bok bangi don ya ka kut bodon burom lada dangdon kum kini ki AKA klempep ngan move syakut baik yaki weight bridge bat ikite ki department hari boy district na yo ibe kadon ka GST department ka ba check ikitrok kitrok ki bakit mar mata check GST ya ka trok doyong pada kimla ban kata ka de umling kimla ban kata trok doyong henry ha ka GST ha ka doyong ni bo check hi kadon ka GST ha doyong kai ka question hang ne ule ayu ta commissioner ba de jong ka GST ha bo Meghalaya jongi who is the minister in charge jong ka GST hato kini kim don kitilang beli kalong no siliang se kamlong no siliang nakatawan ong ipi ngangan ye kun nang is khmat san sidem dawan kano ka sarkar ru ba lada na ko concern citizen ngam ye kun ngan sulong num tang po social media kaduk ka state jongi kadang hiar siar kayo ka kwat kinom khayi pateng barit bariaru kinam la hiban khayi wadha kli riat ru lada ye penyang lain oh ba jon ubisni nganong ipi kin bon ki group ki jongi hi ki ba persya ya ka high level nama ka high level ka pen im tang ikat to kat ne ka pisa ka ba mla shu ban ya nyo nong ipi ka de ka biggest scam 4 day ka tu ka scam covid 4 day ka no ka scam nganong ipi ba government shala ulong very accountable namar ba kadai ko origin jung nang thi ka bayat ka high level ka collection kishim kibru gi jung bat na po West Khasi Hill na Mountain Road na Shalang kibru jung jigur ki haba kiyat hari buaya bagi bat ikitram kimit kerteng baik kita kibru jung ba jigur openly hapo market tengitip Henry bangan accuse kita bro ngadon kami ke RTI yes menurut bang ki baka high level hi kadai likely department ki belong liable accountable ta kadai ke mining and geology transport department last but not the least melumala ke police department itu IP ya kata lah tapi am le piki media le pin lah menurut bang openly Henry kini kelas like by long scapegoat ke election kalau awai ki kala kamai di hajar kror state kelas satu ti kini like ngamai lah namar bat ngale la don gaji ngamai personally ba jigur murthong ong kumnong ong ate ba kata kamsalan katne kane duna te khat arton te im ngin saya overload di ken buat bagi pelet di bapun thut kin sakyan ba kum ta kitin kred house name hajar apwe yang ngai kan dua bo swaban sedang kane ke SOP ke sedang before 2000 this is 2020 masih ada judgment yang ke 2019 the 20 ke sedang kane ke transportation